Comment question from a viewer. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. And we got this question maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. So it was a video that was focused on itertools and more specifically the combinations with replacements function. And the question was, how can I get all of these outputs with just the numbers? So we did a video on this a long time ago, and this is basically packing and unpacking, so I'm going to put the video link up there so you can go and see that specific video. But let's talk specifically about how we would do this here in some sort of for loop situation. So here's just the object right here. Now, if we were to iterate through this, for I in y, print I, correct? All right, so now, okay, I'm getting close here. Now, if we look at this, we have 3 objects inside each y. Well, this is as simple as we need to be. Those are supposed to be commas. So this is how you can unpack an object. First, you need to know how many are at each iteration. So you would run 1, and then you just go, oopsie. Wow. Sorry about that, everybody. Okay, so now here we are. And it is as simple as this. So you run your for loop just to get an idea of the structure, because you've heard me say this before, it is vital to make sure you understand what type of object you're working with, and also probably another good way to say it is maybe the shape. So type and shape, because you need to understand what you're working with to need to understand how you're going to solve it. So it kind of goes back to one of my other comments. You have got to understand, the more you understand your problem, the solution tends to present itself. So I'll say that again. The more you understand your problem, what you have, what you're working with, what you want the output to look like, the simpler it is to articulate and to find your solution. So there we go, guys. Keep the questions coming. I love helping with things like this. It's great because somebody else had this question. I promise you, somebody else had this exact question. They just didn't maybe know how to word it, or maybe they didn't even know how to phrase it. So there we go, guys. If you've not jumped down on the Discord server, we have a lot of good questions over there as well that have been really short and didn't think we would need to make any videos on it. But this one I thought was a great question and really needed to be addressed. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.